Welcome to our quick tutorial on managing WhatsApp notifications on your PC. Today, we're going to show you how to set up taskbar notifications to appear only when the WhatsApp app is open. This new update gives you more control over your desktop notifications, helping you stay focused when you need to and connected when you want to be. Let's dive right in with the simple steps to customize your WhatsApp taskbar notifications. First, open your WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats list. Next, look to the left side of the app. You'll see a menu bar with various icons. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for notifications and click on it. This will open up all your notification settings for WhatsApp on your PC. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see an option that says Show Taskbar Notifications badge. Under this setting, you'll have a few choices. What we want to do is select Only when app is open. By choosing this option, you're telling WhatsApp to only show those little notification badges on your taskbar when you actually have the app open and running. This means no more distracting pop-ups when you're trying to focus on other tasks. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp settings to show taskbar notifications only when the app is open. This small change can make a big difference in managing your digital workspace and staying on top of your messages without constant interruptions. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them if you find you need more or fewer notifications. WhatsApp is all about keeping you connected in the way that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tip helps you stay productive and connected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Happy messaging!